How to remove yourself as an admin of a Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can remove yourself as an admin of Facebook page. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to remove yourself as an admin of Facebook page, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and first open up Facebook. Once you open up Facebook, the next step is to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner and then scroll down, and first you want to head over to the page, right? So switch to the page. You can simply tap on the switch option there and switch to the page, particular page that you are the admin of. Then once you are on the page, head over to the hamburger icon and now head into professional dashboard. Once you're on professional dashboard, you can scroll down further below and you can see the tools, support, and you can see settings. You can simply tap on tools here, and once you tap on tools, scroll down again and you can see here the option that says page access. Tap on page access and you can see people with Facebook access. You're only am available, right? So I won't be able to remove it. But if you have multiple ones and you are just an admin, if you tap on three dots there, you'll find the option to remove. Tap on delete or remove, and then you'll have to head back to your Facebook and you'll have to accept that particular request to remove yourself from the Facebook page. You get a notification on your notification bar. So this is how you can remove yourself as an admin from Facebook page. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.